Okay, for this one here, it says eliminate the radicals in the numerator. So normally, a problem would ask us to eliminate the radicals in the denominator, but this one says just, I don't want the radicals in the numerator. As far as I'm concerned, it doesn't matter where they are. Part of simplifying does not require you to move anything for radicals, but this question asks you to do this. So we are going to take the numerator that we want to get rid of the radical with, and we're going to multiply it by the conjugate of that binomial up top. And we got to multiply by the same thing on the top and the bottom so we don't change the value of the fraction. Again, as I mentioned in class, why does this work? Well, it's just because that difference in, whenever you do the product, the difference in square product, the middle terms cancel each other out. So let's multiply these out. 3 squared is 9 minus square root of 2 squared is 2. And if I were to FOIL it out, you'd see the middle terms disappear. And then distribute on the bottom, or I guess we could leave it factored. I don't know which one to do here. I guess let's just leave it factored for now. Decide on the next step. So this is 7 over, and that's my answer. Nothing cancels, nothing reduces. You might say, well, I think it would look better if I did this. And then do that. But I don't really necessarily agree. I could take that negative and move it up top. Maybe that looks a little better. I guess between all three of those, I think I probably like this one the best. Although there's nothing really that says any one of these is any better or worse than any other one. So.